Hey everyone, this is Rituraj. I'm a senior product manager working for high-tech product companies. In the upcoming Pragmatic Leaders session, I'll be talking about how to launch a 0 to 1 B2C product in the particular context of a events marketplace that I helped build while I was working for Swiggy Dine Out. We'll be talking about product vision, business objectives, problem discovery, solution discovery, road mapping, backlog management, and of course, product development itself. We will also be talking about go to market and launch. And not only that, we will also explore how you can leverage Gen AI to optimize each and every step of this journey. And if time permits, we'll also talk about analytics and how to go about doing continuous product performance monitoring to come up with continuous iterations to improve the product. It will be a live session, so I'll be there to take up your questions around how to launch such a greenfield initiative. I'm very excited, so see you there.